It's the afternoon of June 13, and this is as far as I'm going to get today. Yesterday, I installed this column, these three columns here, here, and here. And then today, I started the work on the planters, or this planter, and I forgot how much cutting was necessary in order to get the shape the way that I want. That little planter right there is 12 blocks per course, but it looks like things are coming along. I know when I first started looking at this wall, the curved wall that goes down, I thought it was too tall. Now that I've got the block on top and this pilaster is the same height as the one in the front, and the level, the finished grade level, I think we look up close here, we can see level. Level means the same height as one step down from the deck. And so if the ground was level, or the walkway was level to here, that's how high it would be. We're gonna take 2 inches of slope, so that line will actually be 2 inches. The finished grade will be 2 inches lower than that, but that means there is 1, 2, 3 courses on top times 8. That's 24 inches. That actually only comes about just maybe a little higher than your knee. So right now it looks a little misleading. I know that we have to put at least one more course of block on this planter, and of course 2 more on the other side. Everything's level from this side to that side, so even though, well, there's only 2 courses on the far side, 3 courses on the front side. There will be a wall here and another wall here. This one will be concreted, this one will be block. So in order to get to, again, finished grade, we're probably going to need to be around this level here. So that means that if I want to have a little wall or a bench, that's usually about 20 inches. So 8, 12, 16, 8, 16, 24. So right about that height would be the height of a bench that goes across. What I'm not wanting is to put in a pilaster and a light on the front and then have to put a handrail here. Handrail actually needs to be like 30 some inches, and that would be higher than the light. So if I put a bench, you know, like a bench in front of the fireplace that we have, that will keep us from having to put in a railing, because it would be really difficult for somebody to be able to trip and fall over the bench. The same will be true for here. And if we notice there's a piece of pipe that's coming out of the ground or out of the concrete right here, I think we're gonna finish off this wall with a pilaster. Whether it has a light in it or not yet, we still don't know. So in relationship to where this is to the house, if you haven't been watching, there's the pavilion or truck port, and this is the back part of our house. This is the garage, and if I pivot around here, well, there's the railway that comes all the way around and goes to the back, and then this is the workshop. So, and it's pretty obvious right now when we look, we can see it's definitely a positive feeling of us knowing that we're heading downstairs from here now.